Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a really easy meal idea, then I want to show you Ben's Original Ready Rice. This is the Korean barbecue flavor and it's really tasty and it is a super easy way to get a meal put together. I love to use these as a base for a rice bowl, or I like to also add them to meal prepping containers, and they add a lot of flavor and it takes me no time at all. So the great thing about these is they're super easy to cook and you can cook them in the microwave in 90 seconds and that is it. You are good to go. This Korean barbecue flavor is really delicious. They come in a lot of other options as well. This one has really nice spices. It's not too spicy, but it's also a little bit sweet and it just has a really nice flavor. So if you're looking for a very easy way to have a rice side dish or maybe the base of a rice bowl, then I would definitely check out this Korean barbecue ready rice. And that is my point of view.